Hello, Madam Principal. Good morning. You want me to come to the school? This morning? Oh, okay, no problem. I'm actually on my way to work now, so I will just stop by before going to work. Okay, you'll see me now. Ma'am, I hope there's no problem. Okay, I'll be there right now. I'll be there now. Effiong! Effiong! Come and open the gate for me.
So, madam, if this should happen again, we will have no choice than to suspend her from the school so that it will stand as a deterrent to some who wants to behave like her.
Mrs. Principal, please.
Huh?
That's not... What is it?
What exactly do you want to do? Apologize to her? If yes, why? That I defended myself from a bully. See, I won't let anyone bully me in this school. And principal, keep your eye on your teachers. Huh? Because I will not allow anybody intimidate me in this school. And one Mr. Tunde, if he tries that nonsense he did again, he won't like himself.
Ma'am, please, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for her behavior. She's just a child. And please do not take anything she said to heart. She's just exhibiting she's a child. Please.
Well, like I said, you have already concluded what to do on them.
Them? Are you trying to say her sister behaves like her too?
I don't know which one is worst amongst them, but we have concluded the matter on what to do.
Thank you very much, ma. Please. I will do my best, like I told you. It will not happen again. Please.
Well, it's all for now. Okay.
going on here?
And what does it seem like?
You have been washing these clothes since morning. And I am very sure it's washing machine you used, even though you were told not to.
This girl, are you okay? What is wrong with you? Listen, I have been keeping quiet and tolerating this your nonsense attitude for a very long time now, and you're getting on my nerves. If you don't get out of this place right now, I swear to God I will do something that you will regret. Get out!
Are you talking to me in that manner?
Wait! Did you just speak to me in that tone?
You're joking.
Annabeth! Did you just speak to me in that tone?
You want to beat me, right? Fine.
Touch her! What is wrong with you girls?
What is it? What?
That witch! She hit us!
She did what?
She hit us!
Lucy!
Madam!
Lucy!
Yes, madam! Yes, madam!
Madam, you called me. How dare you? How dare you? You have the effrontery to lay your filthy hands, your cursed hands on my children. Huh? Have you ever been pregnant? Let alone have a child? Have you? Yet you're beating my children. Are you mad? Huh? You know what? Let this be a mistake, because I've not warned you before. But right now, I am telling you, as rules and regulation of this house, you do not ever lay your hands on my children. Do you understand? Am I making myself clear?
Madam, you still want to lie?
Such a big liar.
No, it's okay, kids. It's okay. She wants to talk. Oh, you want to have a conversation, right? No, let's talk like women to women. Women supporting women. Come over this side. Come here. No, it's okay. It's okay. We'll talk. Kneel down here. No. Kneel down.
Madam,
No.
I did not touch them.
Hold on. So it's not enough that you laid your hands on my children. Now you're calling them a liar. So you're telling me I'm training up, and you're saying if I stand to your village, get me water. Come on, stand here. Oh, now my kids, I'm raising liars, eh?
No, ma.
No, you want to tell me how to raise my kids, right?
No, ma.
No. You will teach me, my teacher. I'm raising liars.
Shush it up.
We want boiled yam and egg sauce. And be fast about it. Be very quick.
Open. We said open. What is this? What is this nonsense you served us? We can't eat this. Yeah.
But this is what you girls asked for.
We said fried plantain and fried egg.
Lucy, what is the meaning of this? Eh? How can you do this to someone's child? Just look at. Just look at. Eh?
You know, Dixon, you know what baffles me in all this? Is the fact that you have refused to ask what this idiot did to warrant whatever it is that you think that was done on her. You did not even ask. You've already taken sides. You've already concluded I'm a wicked person. What is really going on here? Hold on a bit. Hold on a minute. I hope it is not what I'm thinking, oh. I hope it is not what I'm... Don't try me, oh.
What nonsense are you talking about? Eh? No, say what you said to me again, and you know who I am now. Say it again.
Dixon, you're raising your voice at me because of this low life. Because of this thing. You are raising your voice at me, your wife.
How could you do this to someone's child as if she's not a human?
Well, someone's child decided not to behave like a human, and I treated her like an animal.
Now listen. Let it not happen again.
Let her not misbehave again.
Let it not happen again. Effion!
Good morning.
Do you wash this thing you're wearing at all? Do you sometimes wash it?
Okay, this is my camo. Can I wash am? I can't stash am like this with 2,500 naira stash. I come iron press am well.
It's okay. It's okay. Where is Lucy?
Ha. Okay, no be small thing happen. Oh. If I tell you what thing happen like this, you no go believe me.
What do you mean by that?
Okay, she don't resign now from active services. She come say, make I collect pension and gratuity. Come give her.
Does it look like I'm joking here?
Okay, me I know the yoke. This thing when I tell you now, confirm matter. I know the yoke. I know coffee yoke with you now. You know, okay.
What did you just say now?
I say I know the yoke.
I'm way by mom.
Okay, sir. Barang. Okay, I should go.
Get out.
Okay. Okay. You know, give me the gratuity and pension. Gratuity and pension. Make I go give her.
Get out.
Sorry, sir. Gratuity and pension.
Judith!
Dixie, what is it? Why are you yelling my name like that? What?
Are you happy now?
Happy about what?
You see what you've caused? You and your children. You're happy now, right?
What have my children and I done again? Can't you just cut us some slack?
Where's Lucy?
How am I supposed to know? Am I her keeper?
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
For your information, she's gone.
Oh,
And you caused it, you and your children.
well, since she's gone, we get her replacement. Because my children and I will not be the one doing the chores in this house. Yeah, please do that, ASAP. Yes, thank you.
Don't blame me at all. What kind of human being is this? What kind of human being is this? Eh?
say that your name is again?
Hey, Precious. What's that?
Can't you hear her?
Oh my God.
Linda.
And it had to take you centuries, like forever, to answer. Hey, Auntie, are you sure you'll be able to assimilate things easily? Huh? Honey, really, where did you get this Delulu from?
Can you stop this now?
She's slow. Huh.
Will you shut up your mouth? Wait, I can see you're stubborn. But don't worry, we will show you your place. Huh?
Annabelle?
I mean,
Am I
girl
not
is
saying
slow.
the truth?
No, she's saying the truth.
Yes, Mom.
Like, you need to see, excuse you, who are you folding your hands for? Auntie never come, you don't they fold hands. Why are you folding your hands for? Why are you doing that mouth for? My children? Or is it for me? No, it's not Onny. I don't know where you got this girl from. Where did you get this one from?
Can you just stop?
No, really, but it's obvious. Can't you see her attitude?
Oh yeah, upstairs.
You know you need a slap, right? And my mom will give you that.
Upstairs now!
And why are you chasing them?
Now! Hey, shh, come back. Pick it. Pick it! Pick it and dress it well. It's frog all day.
I don't know why you're being so dramatic, really, Dixon. Auntie, you never come. You're not here yet in my house. You're already causing trouble. You've not even entered. You're causing trouble. And why are you doing that face for?
Can you stop this?
Stop what?
Can you just stop this now?
I should stop it. Please, I don't know where you got this thing from. I think you should take her back. Is it from Temu? I'm talking to you and you're looking away. Am I your mate? Are you mad?
I go fit do this work, so. These children will no get respect. I go forget saying at their papa house. I go beat them. I don't go beat person pikin. Because these children, as they dey like this.
My dear. See, I know how you feel about this whole thing. Okay? Well, please, do not be angry. I'll talk to them to have some respect.
That those children know they like children we sabi respect at all. Oh. They no sabi respect. Oh.
Please, I don't want you to go. If you go now, it's going to be hard for me to get another person. Huh? What if they're your children? I mean, take them like your children. Teach them.
So this one where you dey talk now. Now for me, can no go.
You no go. Yeah?
I'm sure say I go fit do this work. Oh.
You can
I'm
do
not
it.
sure.
You can do it. Just calm down and take it easy. I'll talk to them, okay?
Okay.
Good.
Sir.
I was actually trying to get something there. So let me continue.
Linda, right?
Yes.
If I ask you a question again and it takes forever for you to answer, I will forget that you're my senior and insult you. How many years will it take you to clean up this place? Huh?
Come, this girl. Now me they talk to like that. You know reach our last born for house, so she senior you with 5 years. No make me forget saying at your papa house. I go beat nonsense come up for your body.
Are you talking to me like that?
What did I hear you say to my daughter now? I just asked the question. What did you say to my daughter now? Ma what? Are you mad? Are you insane? Like what gave you the F1 tree? No. Hey, auntie, look at me. See, in your miserable life, in this wretched, rickety life of yours, if you ever disrespect my children again or insult them, you see this respect you accord me, extend the same respect to them. They are your madams. You see, as small as they are your madams. Try nonsense and you see the other side of me. Fool. And why is it taking you forever to get done with this?
That was the same question that I asked her that made her to insult me.
And you dare not look at my daughter. This girl, man. You want to die? Do you want to die? Did I employ you here to kill my children for me? She's asking you a simple question. Why are you not done with your chores? And you want to kill her with eyes, which? My friend finish up and she's standing there looking at me. Oh. Sweetie, do you want to sit down here?
Yes.
Okay. Auntie, clean up here so my daughter can sit down.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure.
When you're done,
Tell them the story,
go and get me a
courage and
glass of
fire. 'Cause whatever you sow is what you're worrying. They will always know with the energies you give. How you raise them will determine the future. Bless their way, guide their steps every day for tomorrow.
But really, you know exactly what I want. Please, don't let them select before I come. No, really don't. Okay. Like what and what?
Madam.
What is it?
I beg, follow me. Get waiting, I want to show you.
Ify, sweetheart, please let me call you back. I need to take care of an idiot standing in front of me here. You know, these idiots we pay. We pay to stress our lives. My sister will go on choice. I don't have a choice. I'll call you back. Don't sell. Are you mad? Huh? Have you been mad before? Like, this girl, what is wrong with you?
Madam, I got the Chinese and follow me. No, drag me up, beat me, drag me.
Look at her face. Auntie, if you like, squeeze your face from now to Jerusalem. You cannot beat me. I am your madam. Even in your life to come, you can never be like me. Stupid girl. What is it?
Abeg, follow me. Better me see am by yourself.
Agatha, see what you've caused for yourself. See, listen, if I get there and whatever it is you're stressing me out of this place for is not worth it, you will not like yourself. My friend, move.
Madam,
Shaking your small. Yes? You want me to wash them for you?
Madam, na plate where I don't wash finish. Now your two pikin come dirty like this.
Precious. Annabelle. Precious.
Yes, Mom.
What is this?
What about it?
Did you mess them up?
Why would you be asking us such question? Mom, are you being serious right now?
Will you trust this stranger over us?
I can't believe this is the reason you called us here. Come, let's go.
Are you happy now? No, are you happy now? Because I don't understand why you will always do this. Did you just see what happened? Or are you trying to say my children are liars again? Now listen, let this be the first and the last time anything like this will happen. And don't you ever cut me when I'm making a call to come and see nonsense. My friend, watch this nonsense out. What are you paid for? Is it not to work?
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire. 'Cause whatever you sow, what you worry. They will always flow with the energies you give. How you raise them will determine their future. Bless their way, guide their steps. Every day, for tomorrow's dawn, this is bright. With them we will stand.
It's wise.
Are you girls not going to school today?
Well, that witch forgot to wash our uniform.
What?
Why do you like doubting us? I mean,
Linda! Linda!
Yes, madam!
the snake almost bit the monkey, but this monkey is wise.
Why are my kids not going to school?
Madam, I don't know. As you see them, that's how I see them.
Did you wash their school uniform or not?
I wash them.
You wash
I
them?
even iron them join.
Lying bastard. How did you wash the uniform?
I use washing machine wash them now. Waiting again, I go use wash them.
What was the instruction they gave you?
Make I dey wash with my hand.
Did you or did you not?
Mom, hold on a minute, because I'm tired of this nonsense. So my kids are not in school because of your comfort. Because you chose not to stress yourself. That's why my kids are at home. When I paid for school fees. Have you ever paid for school fees in your life? Eh? That's why you chose not to do what they asked you to, like, do you know you're here because of these kids? No, do you know you're employed? You did not come here to take care of me. You came here to take care of my kids. Now they tell you what to do. Simple instruction. You don't want to take it. Because of your comfort. You don't want to stress yourself. You don't want to use bucket and fetch water and watch their uniform. Because you're too big. I'm talking to you. You're that. My friend, go there. Go there and kneel down, stupid fool. So I pay you to come here and enjoy yourself. You might as well stay in your father's house if that's what you want for your life. Stupid fool. I don't blame you. It's my fault. I gave you washing machine, so you now have a choice whether to do what they asked you to do or do what suits you, what you're comfortable with. Idiot. Fool, I pay you to come here and relax, enjoy yourself. You should have stayed in your father's house now if that's what you want for your life. Idiot. Evian! Can you bring your stupid self here? You see this idiot here? I need you to keep your eyes on her. Lay your eyes on her at all times today. Do you understand? When I come back, if she by any means possible stand up, as much as stand up or even turn or sit on the floor, let me know. Do you understand?
But madam, if I carry all my eyes now, take look this fool now. Which eye I want you to take on the look this compound, the man surveillance? If thief now come from backyard now, I won't come do now. And Maoka now, if thief enter now, Maoka could fix. Me, I know Maoka. I don't want to enter from. Okay, madam.
Are you a fool?
Come, madam. Look me now. I'm a full human being now. Look me now. If to say I have before now, when I forgive me work, now because I be full human being now, why they employ me as chief protocol and security officer for this compound, madam?
Oh God! How did I get myself to this point? Idiot! Now listen to me. Listen! If I come back and she's not here, you will not like yourself.
Bye, mommy.
Bye, my love.
I love you.
Come on, open the gate for me, stupid.
Madam, which eye I want take look now? Come, instead make I put my eye here. Which one I want take see road? Come. Okay. Welcome.
Who opened the gate?
Okay, madam. Now she opened the gate, right? Come out. Though she don't come back, but she can't forget to lock up.
So you allowed my wife open the gate by herself?
Okay. If I tell you the situation report now, you not gonna understand.
And why are you like this? What's going on? Why are you like a robot?
Okay, that since morning, okay, madam, now you give me instructions. Say make I, around my eye come out for this girl now. So since that time now, me, I dey here the monitor this girl now. She say until she come back. Though she don't come back, but she not gonna relieve me of my duties. So me, I dey here now the monitor this girl now.
How stupid all of you can be.
Thank you, sir.
Get back to your post, my friend.
Can I come, madam? Now?
Go and lock that gate.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Idiot. Grandma like a robot. Linda, what did you do?
I don't see my madam don't come back, but I could hear if she come here now. No wrong.
Judith, why are you doing this? Huh?
Well, Dixon, if you're talking to me, you should make it in clear terms.
How could you keep someone's child under the sun for hours?
And who told you she's someone's child? Has she ever told you she has a mother or a father? Besides, what is it with you and crying more than the bereaved? Always. You didn't even bother to ask me what this girl did. You're here to crucify me for her nonchalant and stupid attitude. You're not even interested in knowing if this girl wants to kill me. All you want to do now is kill me because I'm punishing her. Dixon, please, I don't have time.
You're calling nobody is a human being. Okay, what did she do? No, what did she do?
Oh, you expect me to tell you what she did now? Now you want to know. After you've crucified me, isn't that the first thing you're supposed to do? To find out what happened before trying to take sides or blame anybody? Please, please.
I am talking to you and you're walking out?
Please, I don't have strength. Don't stress me.
Judith! Judith! Linda! Linda! Linda!
Yes, Oga.
Linda, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry for everything. But you just have to stay away from their troubles. Stay away from their web. Be on your own. Do your thing. Do the things you're supposed to do and just mind your business and stay away from them, okay?
Oga, not do anything. Now those your two children where they lie anyhow. They don't get single respect for big person.
It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. Just try and stay away from their problems.
Okay, sir.
Have you eaten something? Okay, go in and get me something to eat and also look for something to eat too.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Linda! 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 What's the meaning of this?
Yeah, of course.
What did I tell you about serving us?
You say make her dey give you na biggest meat where they pot.
You see? Later my father will be defending you, not knowing you're disobeying our orders. When his action is a big problem.
Waiting I do now. Waiting.
Can you imagine?
This same attitude of disrespect made all the house help we've hired left. You are a mother. You're always with your kids. You failed in training them to be upright.
Well, Dixon, need I remind you that the responsibility of raising up a children, does not lay on the shoulder of the mother alone. It's on both parents. That's why we are called parents. We are supposed to do right by them. So if these children are not well-mannered or disrespectful, it's on you and I, both of us.
I pray that this seed you're sowing will not grow to hurt you so bad.
Haunt us. You and I. Both of us. It's on us. Okay. You better call the school and see if there's anything you can do. Fix it. Because my children will not stay at home. And quit blaming me, please. Take care of my children.
The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire. But whatever you sow is what you're worrying. They will always flow with the energies you give. How you raise them will determine the future.
You called?
Yes, darling, I did.
If it's what happened in school today, I don't want to talk about it.
Annabelle, listen, young lady, you need to start taking responsibility and accountability of things you do.
As how, Mom? As how? When do everyone see me as a bad child? Huh? When has self-defense become a crime, Mom? When? The luck that he had was not instructing me to apologize to that fool that calls himself a teacher, because they would have waited eternity.
Annabelle, my lovely daughter, you know your age now? You are 15. And you know whatever you're doing now, your sister watches you and she copies from you. So you just have to change in your attitude. Your attitude is not nice at all. It's nothing to write home about. If you don't change now, you grow up to be a very horrible and terrible girl. Your dad is not behaving like that. And I want my angel, my child, to grow up and be a better person. Marry a good husband. Have a good family. And live a good life. Because this kind of attitude of yours, when you grow up, you attract your kind. When somebody is wicked, you attract. The husband that will marry you will be wicked. That person, you attract the kind of person you are. But when you're good, you attract a good person. When you're growing up and you're every time, that kind of person will come to your life. So please, try and change and be a better person, okay?
Okay.
You promise me that you
show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire.
Hey, come back here. Two of you should kneel down there. Kneel down there. Kneel! See, listen to me. There is no school for you. Do you know why? You're not going to school again because your exercises are too much.
Says who? What exactly is your problem, this man? This early morning, on a fateful day like this, today of all day, first day of the week, you're starting up the week with kneel down there. What do you think reasonable fathers do on Mondays, first day of the week? They lay their hands on their children's head and pray for them. Pray for them so they will have a blessed week, a fruitful week. No, you will not do that. Rather, you will prefer to flog your children like cows, like they are meh. See, if you don't like these children, please just tell me. Let me take care of my children myself. Don't kill them for me. Do not kill them for me. They are my children.
Yes.
Eh? Oh yeah, and then stand up.
Try it.
Try what?
Try it.
Please, let's go. Go outside. Try what? You want to kill my children?
See this attitude of yours, eh?
Please.
You will reap it one day.
Nah, I will reap the fruit of my labor.
No, you're not training these children well.
Excuse you.
You're not training these children well, you know it.
Says who? Says who? Listen, Dixon, I will reap the fruit of my labor. You see these two children, I will go for their omugo. And guess where you will be? At home. Old, alone, only you. And I will not come back with anything for you. Oh, sorry for me. No, you should be sorry for yourself. Be making them hate you. Be treating them this way. Let them be hating you. They will grow up and they will remember.
You think you're fresh.
No, I'm not.
Someday.
I'm not like this.
Someday. You know, if I reach 70, I will still be fresh. I can still marry another woman.
You are already looking too old. Too old at 30 something.
Someday, you cry for it. You cry for it. And I'll be at that dining eating chicken.
You are projecting your own reality on me. You are just projecting your own future reality on me.
Oh my God. Someday, you guys will, I get away, baby.
Mr.
Don't
Man,
forget.
you are projecting your own future reality on me. You are projecting your own future reality on me. Look at you, old fool. Please let me take my children to school. What are you doing at home? What are you doing at home? Jobless man.
Hey. At 90, I'll be dancing Billy G. You see, don't worry. Hey.
Mom, are you sure that man is our father?
Stop it. Show some respect.
Respect, you say? I thought respect is reciprocal. Huh? And why are the both of you opposite of each other?
F Young! Come, madam. Open the gate.
I hate him. I just hate him.
Precious, excuse you. Do you realize you're talking about my husband?
I mean,
we care.
I don't even know why he's even coming back. Each time he comes here, it's to find faults.
Get into the car, let's go to school. And stop talking about your father like that.
Tears, Mom.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the story.
So, Namaoka, where those two rats they talk about like that? Eh? Make the fool just carry them come my side. Make them mistakenly talk to me like that. Make I use this my hand. Reset their brain for them. Eh? Two rats. We don't get any boko. Could they talk to my car like that? As if buying me and can't talk to me. You could know why they call me if you're not mad at one. Whoa.
Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Person.
Please, are the kids back from school?
Yes, them there inside.
All right, thank you.
Okay. How? If you see better person who care respect, you could know. No be all those two okpanye when they inside and if you know what to call themselves. And I rather be okpanye. Try. No.
Hello, kids.
I'll meet up with you.
Okay. Your roots. All right. We have types of soil on the board.
Let me go and listen to what this person is teaching my sister.
And there are 3 types of soil. We have the sandy soil, the loamy soil, and clay soil. Now let's go to the sandy soil. It is pertinent for us to know that sandy soil is the best soil for farming. Loamy soil.
Sorry for yourself. Huh? So this is what you've been teaching my sister? This nonsense.
Excuse me? It is just a simple mistake and I was about correcting it already.
Correcting what? Aren't you professional in this job? Huh? I mean, why will you make a mistake and attempt to correct it? Huh?
You dare not talk to me in that manner.
Hey, who is this one? Who gave you the right to talk to my elder sister like that? Are you not?
No, I don't blame her. I blame my father for giving you this job. Why would you talk to me in that manner?
You know what? I'm out of here.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Bye. At least my sister won't be corrupted by this rubbish you're teaching her. Rubbish. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Don't mind her. She doesn't know anything now. Don't worry, I'll teach you. Okay?
Okay.
What's happened?
Will you open this gate now?
What's happened, Nala?
Open the gate.
What's happened, Nala? What? No, I was supposed to go to work. Let me give you this. Thank you, sweet.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn
Look,
their
man,
tears into
I didn't make this fine cake. Carry this kind of face. Come on now. Guys.
So pure in their eyes.
Thank you.
Future is secure.
Thank you.
So as I was saying, it's pertinent for you to know that sandy soil is the best soil for farming. Oh, sorry. Sorry for your useless self. Next time, don't come back here. I love you, sister. Let's go.
For tomorrow's dawn, promise is bright. With them we will stand in the light. Oh, teach them respect in every stride. Walk with honor, hold their heads so high. In their smile, we see the spark. Training your kids leaves a lasting mark. Through the struggles and the skies, they will shine.
Precious,
Yes, Mom.
are you not supposed to be having your lesson now?
Am I supposed to teach myself?
Every day, bless their way, guide their steps. Every day, for tomorrow's dawn, promise is bright. With them we will stand in the light. Oh, bless their in the light. Oh.
And why are you not here yet? Excuse you. You were paid to teach, right? Huh? What happened? Young lady, I asked a question. What happened?
Since when did you start sounding like Mr. Dixon?
Next time, you two should hire an intelligent teacher. Let's go, Anna.
What is going on here? Ha! Precious! Annabelle! Precious!
Yes, Mama.
What is the meaning of this? Huh? Why is this place like this?
How is it supposed to be? Huh? When we don't have a maid in this house.
So the two of you cannot clean this place up? You need a maid to make here clean or what? When I have two of you, you cannot come in here and wash the plates clean. Like, what's going on here?
Mom, I'm hungry. I've not eaten since we came back from school.
Yes, that's true. Just make us something to eat, okay?
Precious, let's go.
Excuse you.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire. 'Cause whatever you sow is what you're worrying. They will always flow with the energies you give. How you raise them will determine the future. Bless their way, guide their steps every day. For tomorrow's dawn, promise is bright. With them we will stand in the light. Oh, teach them respect in every stride. Walk with honor, hold their heads so high. In their smile, we see.
Ew! What is this? I'm out of here. I am out.
What? Worst cook ever.
Excuse you. It's not that bad. Oh, Jesus. I'm tired of this nonsense. Hello? Dixon, please, you need to come back now. Am I the one doing it before? Have I been the one doing it before? Please, there's an urgent situation right now and you are needed. Please come back home, to your home. Thank you.
So that is it. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir. Will I be staying here or will be coming from my home?
Okay. You're going to be staying with us here.
Oh.
And why are you looking around? You don't like here?
No.
No, you're used to staying in level. I know, maybe you're living in one big mansion. Here is too small for you. Because I see the way you were looking around.
No, ma.
Okay, let me introduce you to my kids. Annabelle. Precious. Come. I want to introduce you to my kids.
Oh,
Okay? Yeah. Annabelle. Okay, let me introduce our new house help to you. Her name is Jane.
Jane.
Yeah.
Hello.
Don't you dare.
Hey, Oya. Andele. Go upstairs.
Is there a problem?
Are you okay?
Yes, no, ma. Yes, sir, no, ma.
Okay. My wife will show you to your room.
Okay, sir. I will have to go home and prepare.
It's not a problem. It's okay.
You might go to your village and prepare. You're resuming work today. Are you okay with it?
Yes, ma.
You're sure you're ready for this job?
Yes, ma.
Where do you always pick these people from?
You're welcome, Jane. You're welcome.
Still standing here. Go now, go and prepare.
Oh, okay.
Jane!
Auntie Jane,
What?
you had me.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking beans.
Bean what?
Beans.
Why?
Because it's good for you. And it will make you grow fast.
We don't eat beans.
You don't eat beans. And why would your parents allow you to make such decision without rebuking you?
How do you mean?
It means you'll be eating beans from henceforth.
You can't be serious right now. Are
Do you think this is your house? Do you think this is your kitchen?
We make the rules here, anywhere. Get me?
Let's go.
What is going on with you two?
Mom, she's cooking beans and we don't want to eat beans. Not at all.
Jane, Jane!
Mom?
What is going on?
Nothing, Ma.
What are you cooking?
Beans.
Why?
Because it's what's in the menu.
Change it. Cook something else.
It's almost ready, Ma.
I said cook something else. They want to eat something else. Find out what they want to eat and make it.
Irish potatoes and fried chicken.
You heard her? Get on with it.
Okay, Ma.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain.
Hello? Oh, you're there now. Okay, just give me a minute, I'll be there. Okay. Nobody should touch this.
What's your worry? They will always flow with the energy you give. How you raise them will determine.
I'm not leaving my site, not even for a minute. For a day, 2 days, 3 days, I don't care. They are not going anywhere. What is wrong with you, Dixon? No, really, you amaze me. You just gave your consent like that, just like that, without seeking mine.
You see, she sounded convincing.
She does not need to sound any convincing. We're talking about my kids that I carried for 9 months each. They are my children. I deserve to give my consent, and my consent is no. They are not going anywhere.
Our children needs help.
My children does not
They
need help.
need help.
My children don't need help.
Wherever I'm going to get help for them to get better, I'll do it.
Listen, I don't know what you're talking about. But the children I gave birth to, my 2 children, Annabelle and Precious, they do not need help whatsoever.
You know exactly what I'm talking about. You know exactly
I
where I'm
don't know
going
what
to.
you're talking about. My children are perfect.
Anyway.
They can see, they can walk, they are not sick, nothing is wrong with them. They are not mad. They are perfect the way they are.
Anyway, I had to let her go with them.
Well, they're not going anywhere. Take my children out of this house and see the color I'm made of. Don't know what anybody is talking about.
I think-
That girl Jane, let me look for my children and I'm going to arrest everybody.